was only 9 when I picked my hair out. Nobody knew what to do about that. I couldn't sleep at night, I was stressed out. Always crying for mom and dad. If I could go, I would go. Can I go back? I would hold my little hand and say, take your time. Take your time. You keep trying.
Sa mga dalong, sa mga bakbo at dasal. Ay! Tanlong. Asang. Lobster.
Take your time.
Nagpapanagpapala na sila sa dalong.
I would work all day till my feet bled. Anything to be a go-to girl.
Nami, kaya sa mga kabatukan niya.
You're so easy to hang with. I was only 9 when I picked my hair out. Nobody knew what to do about that. I couldn't sleep at night, I was stressed out. Always crying for mom and dad. If I could go, I would go. Can I go back? I would hold my little hand and say, take your time.
Matindog, yan mo tula sa iyo.
Take your time. You keep trying to tell me you don't take a breath. You belong to you, and take your time. Take your time. I would work all day till my feet bled.
Ano sa grupo na mo?
Anything to be a go-to
Nakaon ito?
girl. You're so easy to hang with. I was only 9 when I picked my hair out.